Here's the thing, even a camera that's as old as this and has 7.1 megapixels, you can take great photos with it. Hey, what's up? It has been a while and I have taken a break from a lot of different social media outlets out there, including YouTube. But the other day I was looking back through my Final Cut library and noticed that I had made this video around this camera. So this is the Canon PowerShot SD1000. Before I took a break from social media, which I'm still taking a break, I just thought I would put this out since I had it. I had this grand idea of collecting as many old digital cameras from people as I could. This one is my favorite. There's many reasons why. I think the biggest things I just wanted to talk about today before I get to the actual, I guess it was kind of a POV session. Kind of, not really. I shot all the video on this and the photos on this. The video is garbage, but it gives a pretty cool retro look. So here's the thing, even a camera that's as old as this and has 7.1 megapixels with the tiniest little lens in the world. Even this tiny little camera that's old and has not the best image quality, you can take great photos with it. It's more about the art itself. You all know this. It's not about having the latest and greatest gear. You guys probably watched my Ricoh video where I was raving about that camera, and it's true. It's my favorite. This has been a favorite of mine because it's even smaller than the Ricoh. I've just been able to literally keep it in my book bag, slip it in my pocket. I don't know. I have a thing for point and shoots now, I think. I think the biggest things that I enjoy about this camera is how you feel when using it. It actually, if you can see, has a tiny little optic viewfinder there. Let's see if barely, I don't know. You probably can't see that. It's got a tiny optical viewfinder, which is really funny to shoot on. And this is just a really funny look. But I don't know, it's just the solid brick feel of this tiny camera, and it is the most squared off camera I think I've ever seen, and I really love it for that reason. It just has a look that I don't know if I've seen any other camera point and shoot ever. It has a look to it, and I've just really enjoyed shooting on this around town. Even family stuff, just all sorts. It's a nice little documentary camera I've really enjoyed. There's a few different videos online of people actually reviewing the camera itself, which you can go check out, but today I just wanted to do a nice little walk around Roanoke. I think I did this after a haircut one day, took some video and photo on this, and I'll stitch all of it together and I'll give you guys a little POV photo walk with the Canon PowerShot SD1000 digital ELPH, 3x zoom, 7.1 megapixels, AI autofocus. I love this thing. Without further ado, let's get to it.